Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is John Imperial. I'm an architect in Anchorage, Alaska, and today we are comparing the Apple Magsafe Wallet with the Moft Stand wallet. But before we dive deep into the comparison video, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We are so close to getting 5,000 subscribers. And if you follow me on Instagram, I'll be doing a giveaway there once we reach 5,000. So I've been using the Apple Magsafe Wallet since the release of the iPhone 12, and I personally love this. The fact that I don't have to carry a wallet and I can just bring my phone is just so important for me right now, especially since, I have to carry a mask, I have to bring hand sanitizer and all that stuff. So the less stuff I carry, the better. But there are some quirks to the Magsafe wallet, and you can see my 1 month review over right here because that's still pretty applicable. So when Moft came out with their stand wallet, I was super intrigued. So honestly speaking, this was sent over to me by Moft, but this doesn't really affect how I'm reviewing this too. So let's go ahead and discuss the design. The design of the Apple Magsafe wallet is really nice. You can tell that it's premium, which I don't really like saying, but what other word can I use? It feels premium. It's high quality. It's pretty simple. It's very minimalistic. There's really nothing much more to it. And Moft pretty much did a similar take on this thing. And as you can see, size-wise, they're pretty similar. The biggest difference, I think, is the Apple Magsafe Wallet is built a little bit more rigidly. So the edges are a little bit harder. And this one, I don't know if you can tell, it's a little bit more flimsy on the side, but that's not a negative thing. It's just a difference in construction. So the Magsafe wallet is pretty straightforward. Nothing more to it other than it's a case for your cards, and some people insert cash in between their cards or whatnot. I don't personally do that. I just put cards in it, and you have this slot right here, which you can pull the cards out of if you want to. And you can also just leave your cards in here and use Apple Pay and all of that stuff. The Moft wallet is created in a pretty similar way, and like I said, the sides are a little bit more flimsy, for lack of a better word, but it has this magnetic thing, which we'll dive into more later once we talk about the functionality side of things. And as you can see, once you prop it open, you can kind of see already the potential for it being a stand and all of that stuff. And unfortunately, the inside of this is not as well, it's not clean. Like you can see, I don't know if you guys can see the fabric or the leather right there. It actually kind of arcs over, and I think you could do a better job there. It's just a minor detail, but it irks me a little bit. It's like, oh, we could have cleaned that a little bit, but that doesn't really affect how this works. So I think Moft really did a good job in balancing the function and the design of this wallet. But as you can see, it depends on your preference, but I prefer the look of the Apple Wallet a little bit more. It's just a bit more sleek, and I'm a fan of something minimal, but sometimes function precedes form. And I think that might be the overall theme of this video. Sometimes functionality is more important than design. This Magsafe wallet is $59.99. and this Moft Wallet Stand is $29.99. So that is a big difference there. Plain and simple, you're paying the Apple tax premium on this, and with this one you're getting, in my opinion, a slightly less beautiful wallet, but a more functional wallet. So there's some trade-off there. So let's talk about the functionality. Apple, you can put several cards in it, and that's basically it. That's the extent of this. You really can't do anything with this. You put it in the back of your phone and it's beautiful. It's nice to look at, and don't forget, you get that animation. With the Moft wallet, yes, you don't get the animation, but you can use it in portrait mode, landscape mode, you can use it for a floating landscape mode, and you can even use it as a MagSafe charging stand. And you can also get magnet mounts that you can stick onto surfaces. So if you want to, say, cook and mount your phone while you're looking at a recipe, you can do that. And I thought that was pretty cool as well. So the main thing I like about the Moft Magsafe wallet is the fact that not only can you insert your cards really easily, but you can also take it out very easy and much more efficient than you can with the Apple Magsafe Wallet. So this is actually a good time for me to share to you guys my experience using both of these wallets for everyday use. Let's start off with the Apple Magsafe Wallet. The Apple Magsafe Wallet is really sleek, and I like how it feels when you have it attached to your phone. It just feels so much better on the hand. You can barely tell that it's there, and it feels more seamless, and I love that aspect. My biggest gripe with the Magsafe Wallet is the cards issue thing. The fact that it's hard to get the cards out about 70% of the time, which in my opinion is a little bit more that I am comfortable with or happy with. Because let's face it, you are getting the Magsafe Wallet mostly for functionality. Because if you're really going for looks, you can buy a better case. You can buy something that's a little bit more fancy. Maybe you even want to go caseless, and you can buy a designer wallet if you want to. So I think most people would rock this combo with the mindset of function in mind. And this is where the Moft Wallet shines, is functionality. Does it look bad? Not really, but it doesn't look as good as the Magsafe Wallet in my opinion. When you're holding it, you definitely feel all of these edges, because as you can see, right, you have this right here that you can hit right there. You hit that flap right there. Here, there's two flaps that you feel in your fingers. So there's two flaps right there. When you're touching this, you can feel it. There's that difference there too. There's a lot more edges that your finger or your palm picks up. So it's not as pleasant as holding this. But when it comes to functionality, you really can't beat the Moft Stand wallet. You can pull out the cards as easy as that, and I can even like pick whichever one I want to, and it's very, very easy. So for the most part, that's worth it to me, trading off the looks just for the ease of use that I have. So in case you guys haven't seen my video, which I think you really should watch right here, let me just show you how the Magsafe Wallet works. So you need to pull it out of your phone, and you have to slide the cards out. Right now I have 3 smooth cards in here, which actually makes it easier. But when you have your credit cards or debit cards that have those letters embossed, then it's a different story. Now I have my credit cards in here, the ones that I would actually use and bring. And let me show you the difference. You saw from that video how easy it is, so it's now a different story. You guys see that? I am trying my best to slide it out. So this would happen when I'm in the grocery store and the cashier, and sometimes I would settle into basically just, well, right now it's slightly out, but let's just push that back in. So when it won't work, I would panic every now and then, and I would just try to like shake it, try to get it out of there, and basically pull it out after. It can be a struggle. Just imagine doing that every day. It really isn't ideal. For me, the Moft Wallet has saved me a lot of embarrassment, because that's basically how I feel every time I struggle with the cards. And it just works. And it's $30. Half of what this is. You can buy 2 colors if you want: black, brown, blue, this gray, whatever you want. Here's my recommendation. If you guys are in it for the looks, if you have 2 cards that you want to carry, not 3, I think 3 is when it gets tight. 2 cards with the Apple Magsafe Wallet, no problem. If your typical card carry is just 2, maybe a driver's license and another card, or maybe you have your insurance, which is thinner card, then yeah, go ahead with this if you're after the looks, because it does look beautiful, it feels premium, and it feels nice to the hand. But for somebody like me, I am wanting a wallet attached to my phone for the function. I'm not in it for the looks, because I can actually find better solutions if I was in it for the looks. I'm in it for the function. So for most people out there, for you out there looking for a wallet solution for your phone, I think this Moft Wallet Stand is the way to go. So let me know in the comments below, which wallet would you rather have? If you are sold on getting the Moft Wallet Stand, please use the link in the description below, because it helps out my channel and it helps me make more content like this one. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you loved it, subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.